Welcome, here I've got INFINIX Hot 9 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the level option, so by using this button we can easily turn on the camera leveler and another tap to turn it off. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see it. As you can see, it shows us this line. This is useful, for example, when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And this is how it works here. And of course, when you don't need this, you can easily go back to the settings in the left corner, tap on this button once again. And as you can see, for now, the leveler has gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.